Ever wondered how to reach the coveted $1,000 a day milestone as a freelancer? Welcome to the journey of high-earning freelancers. In the world of freelancing, the sky really is the limit. This isn't a walk in the park, but it certainly isn't a pipe dream either. Take Jane, for example. She was once a budding freelancer, just like many of you, navigating the competitive landscape of the gig economy. But with determination, strategic planning, and a knack for understanding her clients' needs, Jane was able to break the mold and reach her goal. She now earns $1,000 a day, providing her expertise and services to clients around the globe. Freelancing isn't just a job for Jane, it's a lucrative career that has given her financial stability, independence, and the freedom to work on her own terms. So how did they do it? Stay tuned to find out. The first step to becoming a high-earning freelancer is to create an outstanding profile. Now, this might sound like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised at how many people underestimate the power of a well-crafted profile. A professional photo isn't just a nice touch, it's a necessity. It shows you're invested in your work and can be trusted. Next, your bio. This isn't just a place to list your skills, it's an opportunity to tell your story. Make it compelling, authentic, and unique. Let your personality shine through while still maintaining a professional tone. And then, there's the portfolio. This is where you get to showcase your work. It's the evidence that validates your skills and experiences. Make sure it's well documented and organized. Remember, it's not about quantity but quality. Lastly, don't forget to highlight your skills and experiences. These are your unique selling points. What sets you apart from the competition? Remember, your profile is your first impression. Make it count. Now that you have a standout profile, it's time to craft winning proposals. The backbone of any proposal is understanding the client's needs. Your mission is to become the solution to their problem. This starts by digesting the project description thoroughly, then reflecting that understanding in your proposal. Next, highlight your unique value proposition. What makes you the best person for the job? Maybe it's your years of experience, your creative approach, or your proven track record. Whatever it is, make it shine. But remember, it's not just about you, it's about them. Use a tone that speaks to the client directly, as if you're having a conversation. Show them you're not just another freelancer, but a partner who's ready to help them achieve their goals. And of course, proofread. Typos and grammatical errors can undermine even the most persuasive proposals. A winning proposal can be the difference between getting the job or not, so invest time in crafting it. So, you've got the job. Now, how do you price your services and build long-term client relationships? Well, let's dive in. First off, pricing. There's no one-size-fits-all strategy here. Some freelancers prefer a fixed rate, others opt for an hourly rate, and then there are those who charge per project. The trick is to understand the value you bring and align it with the client's budget. Remember, your price is a reflection of your skills, experience, and the quality you deliver. Now let's talk about building client relationships. Delivering quality work is a given, but to build a lasting relationship, you need to exceed expectations. Be proactive, communicate effectively, and always meet deadlines. Show your clients that you're not just a freelancer, but a trusted partner in their success. By implementing these strategies, you can position yourself to secure high-paying gigs and reach the $1,000 a day milestone. So, are you ready to become a high-earning freelancer? Let's recap. Standout profiles, winning proposals, strategic pricing, and solid client relationships are your keys to success. It's time to act. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with determination and the right strategies, you can reach the $1,000 day milestone. Start today.